Hey, thanks a lot. We're back now with Chef Janon talking about seasonal sensations. Good morning to you.
Good morning, Greg.
Okay, so earlier we saw all the stuff. Now, tell us what you have this time.
Well, you know what? We created some sensational salads. Yeah. We figured it was a really good time to gather up those ingredients and really sort of look at mixing and matching.
Yes.
But there's also a couple of techniques I wanted to show you.
Okay, okay.
All 3 recipes are online.
Yeah.
We took care of that for you. The first one we wanted to talk about was using all of those melons. You can use melons in a salad.
And this is all local stuff, by the way.
Everything's local. Yeah. Well, almost everything's local.
Yeah.
As local as I can get it. Not as many. But for the watermelon and feta salad, we used those gorgeous Rocky Ford Cantaloupes.
Right, yep.
And if you massage the dressing into the kale in this one, then it'll actually soften and take away all that bitterness.
How
of the
do you
kale.
massage the dressing into the kale?
Exactly as you would think.
Okay,
Right?
all right.
Just
got to get in there,
Get in
right?
there and just really.
Yeah, okay.
But what you're doing is breaking down the enzymes and relieving the bitterness because you're applying acids for that vinaigrette.
Interesting. Okay.
Then we also got a BLT salad. You see those gorgeous tomatoes?
Yes.
Look how beautiful. Did you see inside?
That is something right there.
That's something special.
Yes.
That's something you only get during the summer. Fresh
Yes.
garden tomatoes. Use a little fresh basil. Bacon, of course. Did you see how good I did with bacon?
Yes.
Snacking bacon is what I called it. And I threw in those peaches, tomatoes, greens, all of that, and did a warm bacon vinaigrette.
Okay.
That's on the website as well. Now, the last one I did is a rice salad.
Okay.
You can actually add it and make it a whole starchy, filling meal.
Right.
Throw a little protein on top of it. But for this one, I used that gorgeous Olafi corn.
Okay.
And since I was doing that, I thought I'd show you guys a quick little tip technique on
How
how
do we do
to take, because
There you go.
Do you ever cut the kernels off corn? You leave that for the way.
No, I've done that
You've
before.
done that?
Yeah, just go down the side.
Straight down the side?
Yep.
But what happens?
Wrong thing, right? Wrong way.
I'm not going to say wrong, Craig. I'm not going to say wrong.
There's a better way.
There's a different, maybe a little more efficient.
Okay.
So instead, all those kernels go everywhere.
Yeah.
But if you take a bowl, and you take a smaller bowl, and you invert the small bowl into the big bowl, like this, and then you hold it here, look what happens, Craig. You cut straight down, go straight into the bowl. Well,
Falls right in.
Falls right in. Now, in that BLT salad, I also wanted to tell you, I put the recipe for those gorgeous croutons we were snacking on.
Okay.
Sandwich bread, y'all.
These are good.
Sandwich bread with a little bit of that bacon fat. Easy peasy.
I'm not going to lie. We get comments. I'm talking now while I'm eating here, but
that's okay.
People love Chef Janon because, forgive me, because
I will.
You make such creative things and you make it look so easy, and you always have such a great variety.
I love
Every time you come, there's something different.
Well, I thank Mother Nature for that. Mother Nature gives us all of this variety, and we get stuck in the same couple of meals, especially when you're trying to feed yourself or feed a family. You get breaking out into the vast, crazy variety that this world gives us.
Okay.
But especially this time of year.
Yeah.
This is the time. If you're going to taste a tomato in December, you're going to taste a tomato now. It's going to be one of the best things you've ever tasted in your entire life.
Okay, these are the seasonal sensations. What's the contact info to get more?
I got everywhere. Just Chef Janon. It's chefjanon.com, chefjanon@gmail, Chef Janon on Instagram. I got a TikTok. I got a YouTube. Really, if you just Google Chef Janon, you're going to find a lot of
a lot of hers coming up.
I'm just everywhere now.
There you go. Easy to find. Okay,
I appreciate
thank you once
Craig.
again so much.
You're welcome.
Okay. Hey, we're taking a break right now, but going to come back with more news and weather you don't want to miss. Stay with us.